Okay, I'm going to do a series of even number word problems from Wednesday, January the 28th. And I'm going to start with number 18 at the top of the page. I don't have the sheet that's on the page. I'm just going to read it to you. Okay? So as I read it to you, I'll show you how we're going to break it down sentence by sentence. Okay? So Frank weighs 160 pounds and is on a diet to gain 2 pounds a week. That's the first phrase. Frank weighs 160 pounds, 160, but he's on a diet to gain 2 pounds a week. So you're going to add plus 2, and if it's per week, well, that'll be 2W. Okay? We're talking about Frank here. So the way you set up the word problems, take it piece by piece. Like you don't eat a meal and eat big chunks. Okay, so it's piece by piece. This is Frank. Frank, 160 plus 2 pounds a week. Okay, now we're talking about John. Can anybody tell me what John's equation is before I write it down? Of course you can. He weighs 200 pounds. And he's on a diet to lose 3 pounds a week. So minus 3 pounds a week. Okay? So he's going to lose 3 pounds a week. Okay? And the other person is going to gain P pounds a week. Okay? If they meet these goals with their diets, when will Frank and John weigh the same? So the equation that we have set up is y equals 160 plus 2w and y equals 200 minus 3w. Okay, so what you do, you can put it in the calculator to figure out exactly when they would weigh the same. Okay? Or you can use the methods we've talked about already. And because I don't want this video to go over 2 minutes, let's just leave it here as a problem setup. And the next video I will tell you how to do it. I shouldn't have just circled that one. That's sort of confusing. I need to circle both of them because it's 2. Okay. I want to be less than 3 minutes, so I need to stop.